Hakeem, say the actual color.
Green, red, black, blue, purple, red, black, red, yellow, yellow, green. Say the actual color. Blue, blue, red, green, purple, and yellow. I don't know why that was so hard for me.
My brain really wants to say the word badly, right?
Yep.
When you're
I forgot what the task was halfway through. I was like, what is happening?
Yeah, and the more we can laugh, the better. So if you mess up, just laugh. It's all good for you anyway. And not be serious. Serious is left brain stuff. When you're actually reading out the color, you are doing that right from your right brain. Okay, everybody throw their mask on. And of course, you've got the binaural beats going. It's embedded in the music. I'm going to start by holding up just one of the colors of those 7. And if everybody has their boards handy, just write which color it is. Just to get it started, let go. What color is in your screen? This is just to get going. We do not care if we get it correct. That's great, Neil. You got it. That is the color it is. And Artie, you got it. That is the exact color as well. Martha got it. Yes, that's correct, Hakeem. So well done, Hakeem. Well done, Martha. Well done, Artie. And Neil. Everybody give themselves a pat on the back for that one. I'm going to go directly to something more difficult. Honestly, it doesn't matter for the Mindsight. Mindsight actually likes more difficult. We can do it in a second. These are called flashcards, and they're learning mathematics for the kids. For example, this card I'm holding up right now says 8 plus 4, and then it's blank, so you have to give the answer. This is just going to help expand our mindset. You can write both numbers down, or you can just write the addition of the 2 that it's asking for. Okay, and I'm just going to find a card here. There is a card in your screen. Take the top number and the bottom number and add the 2 together. You can write down the whole thing if you're seeing it in real time. If it's your intuitive, you can tell me the addition of the 2 numbers, or you can tell me either one of those 2 numbers. Hold that up, Hakeem. Okay, the bottom number is the addition of the 2. That is correct. Well done. And Martha, you're out by 1. You're out by 1 for the addition. And Artie, you've got it exact. It is 1 plus 9 equals 10. Just take a rest for a few seconds, a few deep breaths in and out. Take the attitude you don't care. This is just a diversion hour that we have where you're doing something different than you normally do. Loosely following along, but you're not concentrating. Remember, concentrating is a left brain thing. We have the yellow square, we have the orange circle, we have the green triangle. I'm going to shuffle them under the table. Hakeem, you tell me when to stop shuffling.
Stop.
Artie, you tell me to take the top, the middle, or the bottom card.
Middle.
Okay, I'm taking the middle card. It's still under the table. The other 2 are going to the floor. And I'm putting that middle card up in your screen. There's 3 things, you guys. There's the word at the top. There's the color of this symbol. And there's the symbol itself. Now, are you having your seeing window open at all, Martha?
Yes, it's open, but I'm closing my eyes.
Hakeem, give yourself a pat on the back for that one. Well done. Yes, and Artie, same thing, pat on the back. That's correct, Martha. Yes, it is. So it is the orange circle. Well done, everybody. These are alphabet cards. For example, I'm going to hold one up. It says capital V for Victor and small v at the top in black. Then you have a picture in the middle of a van, and this one is yellow. And at the bottom in small, it says the word van. Here is ice cream, and it shows capital I, small I at the top. It says the words ice cream at the bottom. Now it does show the ice cream in a light blue bowl, vanilla, strawberry, and chocolate, and then it looks like they have some chocolate sauce or caramel sauce on top. This one is the leaf. In this case, it says the word leaf in lowercase at the bottom, and it's green. This one is A for ant, and it's a great big brown ant with 6 legs. Capital A, small a, and the small word ant. Shuffling them. And Martha, you tell me when to stop.
Stop.
Neil, tell me to take the first, second, third, fourth, or random.
Let's go with the top card.
Okay, top card it is. Others are on the ground. and it's in your screen. So everybody, let go and see what your Mindsight gives you. That's correct, Martha. Give yourself a pat on the back. Well done. Hakeem and Neil, both you guys are starting to alternate between your real seeing and your intuitive. Allow the two to overlap. You're making the transition in these sessions. And yes, Neil, give yourself a pat on the back. That is correct. Well done. Yes, Artie, give yourself a pat on the back. Take a few deep breaths in and take the attitude you don't care. Yes, it's L for Lee. Very good. Very good, Hakeem. Now, we're going to make this even harder. We're going to combine the two. We're doing stuff we haven't done before. We've got the 5 letters and pictures. Then we have those 3 cards with the symbols. We're going to combine them, and we have 8 cards, you guys. Shuffling the cards underneath. Neil, you tell me when to stop.
Stop.
And Artie, of the 8 cards, will I get one at random, or tell me 1 through 8 which one to take?
6.
Okay, number 6. The others go on the floor, and then now it's in the screen. Could be one of those symbols, could be one of the picture cards. Yes, Artie, that's correct. Yes, Neil, very good. How did you see that?
I saw the shape.
Okay, very good. I'm going to take that yellow arrow momentarily, and I'm going to make a clock. This is an analog clock, so it's anything from 1 through 12. The count of 3, I'm going to put it in your screen. 1, 2, 3. It's pointing in one of the 12 directions. It's a yellow arrow in the middle of your screen. It's the hour hand of a clock. Which one of the 12 numbers is it pointing at? And remember, as long as you're within one of the numbers, 1 hour, that's within 1. That's good, Hakeem. You're within 1. And well done, Martha. You also are within 1 the other way. Okay, that's correct, Hakeem. That is the actual 1. And Martha's got it. That's correct. Neil, I can't see what yours is. Redo it with your marker. Yes, that's correct. Well done.
Yeah.
So everybody got that it was 6 o'clock. Well done, you guys. That usually is a hard one. At the count of 3, I'm going to put a colored dice in your screen. 1, 2, 3. There it is in your screen. Make sure your board's erased. What's the color of the dice? How many dots are on it? Go empty. Let go. Okay, that is the color, Hakeem. Try again on the number. And Neil, that is the color. And you're off by 1. And Martha, that is the color. You're also off by 1 the other way. That seems to be the theme. And Artie, you got it. Okay. And Hakeem, that is correct now. Well done. Hakeem, how did you see it?
I don't have the slightest clue. That just came to me like a ton of bricks. It was just like, this is it.
Okay. That's correct. Martha, well done. And Neil, that's correct also. Well done, everybody. Right now is player's choice. Let's start with Martha. What game would you like to play?
The symbol cards.
I'm putting all 3 cards up in your screen. I want you to tell me from right to left or left to right what the order is. The Mindsight will mix up left to right or right to left. Now remember, we have the square, the circle, and the triangle. So just write the correct order, but don't worry if you don't get them exactly left to right or right to left. As long as it's one of those 2, then we're happy. Yes, that is the exact order also, Hakeem. Well done. How did you know that?
I just knew it.
Neil, remember we have the square, the circle, and the triangle. What is the order of them across the screen? Yes, that's correct. It's the reverse order, but that is correct. Artie, what's the 2 numbers and the addition? Just speak it out.
1 plus 3, 4.
Okay. Martha?
12.
Yes. 8 plus 4 equals 12.
8 plus 4.
Artie?
4 plus 9, 13.
Yep. And Martha?
9 plus 3, 12.
I'm going to put the yellow arrow up. And what time is it pointing to? This is the last one. One of the 12 numbers. I will accept anything within 1 hour of this. Okay, that is correct, Neil. That is correct, Martha. And that's correct, Artie. All 3 of you got it. Well done.